Hi you guys, it is your girl December Harmony, aka Simber Still Winning, and I'm back with another major hair transformation. So today we're gonna hop right into this video and I'm gonna be showing you all how I go from jet black to crimson red. So first off, I'm gonna take my Clairol Pure White in a 40 volume developer in my bleach. And before I do that, I'm going to finger comb through my hair like I always do if you watch my videos before. That way I can make sure that the bleach does hit my roots. Alright, as you can see me applying the bleach, and now I'm pretty much just working it in before I plastic bag it. Alright, so now it's time to plastic bag it for 35 minutes. 35 minutes. Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. So this was a brief intermission while I was waiting on my time to finish up for the 35 minutes. And as you can see, almost all the black is gone. All right, now it's time to wash. All right, so this is the results from me bleaching all of the black off of my hair. As you can see, it is all gone. I am very satisfied. Next, I'm going to be taking my Kiss Temptation in the shade Crimson Red. And yes, you do need to be at least a level 5 to achieve this color. Alright, so next we're just going to tear the tip right off. And just keep in mind, you guys, this is a sample packet that was given to me by their PR team. So yes, the full bottles are available in store. So now you're going to see me work in that color. And yes, it is very important that you saturate that whole entire head like such. Oop. Next, I'm going to take my Cantu Shea Butter conditioner and work that through my head so that way I can get prepared for my brush session. So next, I am going to be taking the Curved Club Red by Kiss for Men brush, also sponsored by Shad and Moss. And let me just say, I love the packaging. Like, you can tell they put a lot of hard work into packaging this product. And like I said, this is the Curved Club brush, and this is medium to soft bristle. All right, so now the brush is outside of the box. I just wanted to show y'all details. It does have a shiny finish and also their emblem on the back as well as the front. And you can see how sturdy, and like I said, this brush has a lot of great qualities to it. You can tell they put their time into this because it is a quality brush. This is what you call a good brush right here. All right, so let's go ahead and put it to work. So one thing I will say, when I first started brushing, I realized, wow, this brush is true to what it says. It is medium to soft. It gives you the perfect brush strength while you're brushing, if you know what I'm trying to say. And yes, it is very important to use a mirror while you are brushing your hair during your brush session. That way you can always ensure that you're always brushing in the same direction. And I love how big the back of the brush is. That way it's very easy to hold during your brush session. And the fact that it's curved helped out even more. I loved this brush. Next, for my do-rag, I'm going to take my Red by Kiss for Men do-rag. It is the Stretchy Spandex for Comfort do-rag by Bow Wow and Power Wave Supreme. So basically, I'm going to be using the red one, of course, as you've seen before. And yes, it is available in different colors. Now I'm going to show you guys how I tie my do-rag. So I take my first tail, wrap it around. Then I take the other tail and wrap it around. Then what I do is tie a little knot in the back and pull it down as far as I can. And then we're going to wind up the tail and tie it in a knot. That's what I always do. All right, so this is the next day. But before I reveal these waves, I'm going to have to show y'all my favorite hair product to use. A lot of y'all ask me what I love to use. This is Bevan's Grooming Premium Hair Butter. And what I will say about this product is it is my daily bread. I love this product. A little bit goes a long way. And on top of that, it is a black owned brand. So I can definitely support that. And since I've been using it for about 3 months now. It not only provides moisture and shine, but it does help with hair growth, which during this time since I've scalped my hair has been a wonderful, wonderful luxury to add after you take off your do-rag or after you do your brush session. Either one is fine. I just like to do it after I take off my do-rag. So thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. Again, I hope you all love this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.